Choose your gift. Which box will you choose? Be careful, one of the boxes is a trap. Are you feeling lucky today? Choose your favorite squishy. Which gift will you choose this round? Make your choice quickly. Watch out, there's a hidden trap. Are you ready for the next challenge? Choose a mystery box. Which of these boxes do you want to open? Fingers crossed for this choice. What's your gut feeling? Choose your dumpling first. One of the boxes will eliminate you. Is this the right choice? Choose box number 1 or 2. Which item will you pick? Don't fall into the trap. Do you think you're lucky? Choose your favorite color. What surprise will you discover? It's time to make your choice. Be careful, the third box is dangerous. Will you beat this level?